Did you know that the Earth is like a giant, mysterious book, with each layer of rock acting as a page in its grand history? This is the fascinating world of geology, and today, we're going to explore the top 10 geologic laws that help us to decipher this ancient story. First up is the Law of Superposition. Picture a multi-layered cake. In this sweet analogy, the bottom layer of the cake, which was baked first, represents the oldest layer of rock. And the top layer of the cake, the last to be added, represents the youngest layer of rock. Next, we have the Law of Original Horizontality. This law posits that layers of sediment are initially deposited horizontally under the action of gravity. If you spot a rock layer that's tilted or folded, you can bet your bottom dollar that some sort of tectonic forces have been at play. On to the third law, the Law of Lateral Continuity. This principle states that layers of sediment extend laterally in all directions until they thin out or are halted by a physical barrier. It's like a geological version of the game Connect the Dots. The fourth law, the Law of Cross-Cutting Relationships, is a bit like a geological whodunit. If a rock or fault cuts through another, it's the culprit and is therefore younger than the rock or fault it cuts through. Moving on, we have the Law of Inclusions. If a rock is found within another rock, the included rock is considered older. It's a bit like finding an antique buried in your backyard. The antique or inclusion predates the surrounding soil. Next, we have the Law of Faunal Succession. This law states that different species of fossils appear in a definite, identifiable order over time. It's a bit like a prehistoric timeline, guiding geologists in the dating and correlating of rock layers. The seventh law, the Law of Uniformitarianism, is the idea that the present is the key to the past. This means that the geological processes we see at work today, like erosion and volcanism, also took place millions of years ago. The eighth law, the Law of Intrusive Relationships, states that an igneous intrusion is always younger than the rocks it invades. Picture a hot magma intrusion cutting through older, cooler rock. Next up is the Law of Unconformities. This law highlights the gaps in the geological record where layers of rock are missing, likely due to erosion or non-deposition. It's like a chapter missing from Earth's story. Finally, we have the Law of Fossil Correlation. This law states that rock layers in different areas that contain the same fossils are of the same age. It's the glue that holds the global geological record together. So there you have it, the top 10 geologic laws that guide our understanding of the Earth's history. They're the tools that help us to decode the Earth's 4.5 billion-year-old story. Which law intrigued you the most? Be sure to share your thoughts in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awe-inspiring Earth science content.